Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to restore your PC without losing files. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So restoring your PC without losing your personal files is possible in Windows using a reset this PC option with the keep my file setting. How are you going to do that? Go to Windows and Security, and then here you have to scroll down on the left side. You should see this recovery right here. You will see two options: reset this PC or advanced startup. So in order for you to restore your PC without losing your file, you have to select the first option right here, and all you have to do is tap on get started. Here you have to tap on keep files. Okay, choose keep files, and then here you can choose between cloud download or local reinstall. So I will tap the second one, tap on next, and you should see this. So it will restore apps and settings and then reinstall Windows. So tap on next, wait for a couple of seconds, and then ready to reset this PC. Resetting will change a setting back to their defaults. Keep personal files, which is our main goal, and then reinstall Windows from this device and remove all apps and programs. You can see also which apps that will be removed, and this will take a while and your PC will restart. And once you're okay with that, once you want to restore your PC, all you have to do is click this reset and you just have to wait as Windows is restoring your PC without losing your files. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.